Hi, and thanks for tuning in. Today we're answering the question, what are the 3 biggest buyer preferences since COVID-19? With more of the population living out their lives at home more than ever, buyer preferences have changed a little bit. There are a ton of examples to choose from, but here are 3 of the most prominent ones that I've noticed. Okay, number 1, storage space. This has always been important, but in our COVID-adjusted world, it's practically gold. Custom built-ins are worth consideration, especially in closets that get a lot of use, such as in the master bedroom, right? The front hallway, another popular area. Though they're not exactly inexpensive to install, they've still become a great investment. Every day I'm seeing those custom built-ins go over extremely well with buyers. Number 2, work from home space. Now this one probably isn't a shocker, but did you know that your home or condo doesn't necessarily need to have a dedicated conventional home office area to appeal to these work from home buyers? Did you know that folks in this segment of the market are really seeking homes with good lighting, okay, aesthetically pleasing backgrounds? After all, really the last thing that you want when you're on a Zoom call with your workplace is to be in a dimly lit corner in front of the same distracting background. It's hard to be taken seriously from your laundry room, as an example, or from your kitchen table. So if you're a seller working from home, I encourage you to assess your home's overall work from home viability. Are there any simple changes you can make so that it's more work from home friendly? So have fun with this, think outside the box. Number 3, outdoor space. So as we're here looking forward to warmer weather here in the GTA, outdoor space is more important than ever. So given that so many of us have spent record amounts of time indoors, we're all craving fresh air and to get out and the ability to socialize with friends and family this summer safely. I know that isn't a possibility for condo owners, but that's why I recommend bringing touches of nature inside. You'd be surprised how much plants can liven up a living space, a little bit of greenery. If a balcony is the only space you have to work with, put maximum effort into sprucing it up. Don't be afraid to get creative with your layout, but do be wary of installing permanent fixtures. As with anything in your home, your taste may not exactly resonate with the majority of the buyers. So if you're a homeowner who's looking to sell, I hope this list gives you some ideas. Please don't hesitate to pick up the phone or look for any of the information below to reach out and get in contact with me. I'd be happy to answer your questions and give you more of the tips on what buyers are looking for in today's market. Thank you and for tuning in, and have yourself a wonderful day.